Yes, I got it. Okay, everything's clear. Yes, finally, I'm ready for tomorrow's exam.
Right, Susie. I'm going to check if you're ready for your confectionery exam. No peeking.
All right, Sammy, ask your questions.
Susan, what is the main ingredient in pumpkin pie?
What? Is there such a question?
Yes, there is. Answer the question, miss.
All right, I think it's pumpkin?
Yes, that's right. Pumpkin. Next question, young lady. How to make the best caramel popcorn?
Let me think. Oh, place the kernels into the microwave for 3.5 minutes?
Make it 4 to get that lovely caramel coating.
Okay, 4 then.
The last question. Who makes the best ever pancakes with syrup for breakfast?
I think I know. It's Susan. Thanks, Sammy.
You're welcome, Susie. You're ready for your exam 1,000,000%. You've got nothing to worry about.
But I'm still a bit worried. Really worried.
I know how to help you relax. Follow me.
What do you have in mind? I'm coming. Whoa, it's soap, Sam. Why did you bring so much soap? Did you cut it?
Yes! Try cutting the soap, Sue.
I've never done anything like this. Wow, it's awesome! Where did you learn about this?
Where? On YouTube, of course. It's called ASMR. It's supposed to relax you.
Oh, amazing! It really is relaxing. This is so unusual. I've got Sammy to thank for this. I've never thought of using soap this way.
Yahoo! This is a real soap paradise!
Oh, and this wonderful pink soap is turning into curly shavings.
Soap rain! Awesome!
Right, Sam. I think we cut all the soap in the house.
All the soap? Not a piece left? How should I wash myself now?
Actually, we've got lots of pieces. I think my exam tomorrow gave me an idea. I know what to do.
What, Sue?
We'll cook us some confectionery soap.
Cook? I think this exam is having a bad influence on you.
Trust me, Samuel. It's my turn to surprise you now. First, help me collect all the soap.
Maybe we'll just go buy new soap. What do you think, Sue?
Guys, today we're going to make soap shaped like the most delicious things in the world. We're going to need a pot with water, a spatula for mixing, a pizza knife, and of course, lots of soap.
I'm not going to eat that, Susie. I brought a book in case you want to bake something real.
Sure, Sam. Guys, be very careful doing this process. If the soap gets in your eyes, rinse them with water immediately. Let's get started. First, we need to melt the soap. Place the pot with soap over a bain-marie until it melts completely. Sammy, what confectionery shall we make first?
I'll say in a moment. Perhaps. It could be... Yes! A cinnamon roll! That's right, a cinnamon roll. I love the smell of cinnamon.
Great choice, Sam. Guys, give a thumbs up if you love cinnamon rolls like Sam does. We're going to need vanilla extract, golden coloring, and of course the cinnamon itself. We'll add some golden coloring into our mixture to make it look like cinnamon roll dough. We'll add some vanilla extract to make it smell nice, as well as some cinnamon. And mix it all through. Guys, the soap we're going to make will look and smell just like real food, but please don't try to eat it. It smells so nice. Can you smell it, Sammy?
It smells like a real cinnamon roll, Sue.
Now we're going to need a foil mold. It's easy to make it yourself. While pouring the soap into the mold, be careful. Don't burn yourself. Use a towel or an oven mitten. We'll add some more cinnamon to enhance the smell. Now, we need to wait a bit until the mixture partially sets.
Sue, what about baking real cinnamon rolls after that?
Of course, Sammy, I'll make cinnamon rolls for you. Could you check if the soap is set?
I think so, Susie. It's ready.
Great! Let's unroll the foil and carefully take out our aromatic piece. Here you go. And cut it into half lengthwise. Now we need to shape it like a cinnamon roll. We'll just roll the soft soap like this. It's easy, but take it slow. Done! We'll do the same to the second part of our soap. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Like the real thing already. But to give them an even more realistic look, we'll mix cinnamon and almond oil. I'll give them a really good mix with a regular brush until there aren't any clumps. Then we'll apply the mixture to the rolls. Just like this. We can add as much as we want.
And there's never enough cinnamon. So add more!
And for the finishing touch, we'll add soap glaze. We'll use white melted soap for that. Using a squeeze bottle, we'll pour the glaze all over the cinnamon rolls. There! Done! What do you say?
Wow! Sue, they look like the real thing indeed. And they smell so tasty. You're a real magician. Can you make a whole cake?
Sammy, let me think. I guess I can. So, guys, Sam wants to make a cake.
I love cake!
Here's your hat, Sammy. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like cake too. And we begin. We're going to need the same white soap base for the cake. Let's place the bowl over the bain-marie. We're also going to need yellow coloring and vanilla extract. I'll add them to our mixture. And stir them carefully until the ingredients incorporate completely. Great! Now it's time for our soap pieces.
Here they are!
Thanks, Sammy. I'll pour all the pieces into the mixture. There, until the last piece. And mix them all through, of course. Mixing is something you need to do a lot when you make soap.
Wow, Sue, this looks like fruit pieces in the cake batter.
Right! We'll pour the mixture into our mold where it needs to set. Be careful, it's very hot. Done! While our mixture is setting, we'll make the frosting. To make it, we'll need some dish soap. I'll pour it into the bowl with melted white soap base. And whisk it with a hand mixer. It looks like whipped cream, right? The mixture changed so much. Like real frosting.
Susie, you know, a good girl will always allow her friend to try some frosting.
Sam, you know it's not real frosting. I don't want to poison you.
Oh, right. It just looks very convincing.
That's what we're aiming for. Guys, we'll take some of the frosting and place it into a pastry bag. We'll set it aside and add some pink coloring into the remaining frosting. Then mix it all through. Now we have 2 colors of frosting.
I think it's ready here, Sue.
You're right, it's ready. Time to get our cake out of the mold and decorate it. We'll cover the whole cake with frosting. The pink color will be the base. Guys, you can decorate the cake however you like and use any colors. What is your favorite color, by the way? And we'll make rosettes with the white frosting. This is my favorite part.
Susie, how about using these pretty things?
Great idea, Sammy. It'll make the cake look even more like the real thing. Have you got any round candies left?
Let me take a look. Here. I think they've expired. Take these candies.
Thanks. They'll come in handy. They'll look really nice on top of our white rosettes. Look, guys. It's just like a real cake.
But I hope it won't stop you from making a real one.
All right, Sam. Our cake won't fit into any soap dish, so we'll carefully cut it into pieces. Be careful with the knife, and ask an adult to help you cut the soap. And this is the final result.
What a trick! I almost believe that it's real.
What about natural sweets?
Natural? Like what?
Like honey.
Honey? Honey made by bees? Oh no, I'm going to need my bee net. Where is it? Where?
Sam, where are you going? There won't be any bees. Oh, he left. Dear viewers, if you like natural sweets, then you're going to love our next soap. We're going to need the familiar soap base and this honey, as well as almond and orange oils. Adding the honey into the melted soap. Did you know that this pretty spoon is used for honey? Give a thumbs up if you did. It's very easy to scoop honey with this spoon. Let's pour a bit of our essential oils and mix it with the spatula really well.
It smells like honey, so bees must be nearby too.
Sam, it's store-bought honey. There aren't any bees here. Will you put your hat on?
No, I'd better stay safe.
As you wish, Sam. Guys, to make it smell even better, we'll add some orange zest. We'll just zest our little orange like this. Be careful with the zester. Don't hurt yourself. It smells so nice. Done. Now let's pour our mixture into the molds. We've got this honeycomb mold here. Very pretty. Guys, you can make the mixture of a different color by replacing the white soap base with a transparent one and adding some coloring. If there's some foam on the soap, rubbing alcohol will help. The soap has set. We've got honeycombs of 2 colors. Let's check it out. Whoa, what a pretty pattern. And there should be a little bee on this one. Beautiful.
It looks like a real honeycomb and no bees.
Now we'll place them into this little jar. It'll be easy for our guests to take soap out of it and use it.
And each guest can have a soap bar of their own. A great idea, Susie. Susie, if you're making sweets, even soap sweets, you can't forget about the classics of confectionery, donuts.
Oh, right, Sammy. We need to make delicious soap donuts.
Will you need these sprinkles?
Sprinkles? Why not? Let's take this donut mold and pour some sprinkles into each cavity. This should be enough. Donuts usually have sprinkles on top of the glaze, so we'll make a classic donut with pink glaze.
I approve of the color pink.
I'm not surprised. I'll carefully pour a thin layer of pink soap mixture into our donut molds. Then we'll make the second layer. To make it, we'll add a bit of yellow coloring into white soap base and mix. There! We get this mixture of a very beautiful color, almost like donut dough. We'll pour it into the molds over the set pink layer. There. To the very top.
Oh, I can't wait to see the result.
You'll see it in a moment. Let's take it out. Awesome! What do you think?
The sweet expert approved.
I'm glad. We've made a whole pile of pretty donuts here. Thank you for watching, guys! Give a thumbs up if we've inspired you to make this soap. And send us some photos of your soap sweets that are too pretty to use. See you soon! Bye-bye!